is about combined variations. So basically, whenever you write your equation, right, it says A varies. So that means A is equal to K. And then it says directly, and again, anytime it says directly, that's mean multiplying by K. So directly as B. And then it says A is inversely, so that means divided by. So I want to put a division. Divided by inversely as C, so divided by C. And so now the next statement, of course, they're going to give you all three of these, A, B, and C, in order to find K. So they give me an A, they give me a B, at B, they give me a B, 7, and then they give me a C, 28, and of course they don't give me K. So then I can stop right there. So stop right there, make sure you stop right there, because now you can need to find K, right? So I can either reduce that or multiply across. I'm going to reduce that because I know it on the top of my head. I don't know 6 times 28, but you could multiply 6 times 28, right? Multiply both sides by 28. But since I know that 7 goes into 28, I'm going to reduce this to 1 over 4, okay? And so now I can multiply both sides by 4, and I do know what 4 times 6 is. So K equals 24, right? So now I know my K, so now I can plug K back into this this combined variation equation, right? So now I have my K, so I have A equals my K, now is 24, and then my B times B, and then times C. Now the second part of the equation is going to give you either now of these three variables, A, B, C, it's going to give you two of them and ask you to solve for the other one. So this says, okay, and then it says find B here. It says find B when A is negative 49 and C is 3. So now I'm going to use this equation now that I find my K, my constant of the variation here, K. And I want to plug in my A, negative 49 equals my K times my B, which I don't know, right? Divided by my C, which they give me is 3. So now I just multiply this, so that's what, 150 minus 3, so negative 147 equals 24b. So then I divide by 24. So see if that comes out evenly. Not sure if it necessarily does. So then b would equal negative 6.125. So there's my b. So you got to set up your equation. Remember, A varies, so that means whatever follows varies equals K. I just set equal to K, and directly means multiplication. If it used the word jointly, jointly also means multiplication, and then inversely means I divide by. Then you plug in the numbers, the next numbers that it gives you in order to solve for K. Then you plug K into your formula that you just came up with, and then you plug in the next numbers to find the other variable.